They won't go 0-17 this season, and that's what matters. Yeah, because then if they went 0-17, they would have set a record. They could hang a banner from it in Ford Field.
That's nice and clean. I like that.
No, yeah, this thing's.
Okay, so here's your cast iron pipe right here. What year is this house? Do you know?
50.
50. Okay, figured it was somewhere in the low 50s in this area. Cast iron pipe looks a little funny up there. Those lines going almost like it's could have a crack there. Holding a little water here, a little bit of tree root. Yeah, a lot of tree root. See all that?
Yeah, I see that. That's a root in there.
That's a big root ball. That's what that is. Turn on some water here.
Yeah. Yeah, arteries. That's what I have in mind.
Not your own plumbing.
My specialty in college was biomedical engineering. They had us do this on like a dummy. Different kind of plumbing. Different kind of skill too.
I'm hoping I can get through this thing with a little bit of water.
Mm.
That water's not doesn't have much pressure than what's in the water.
We got ruts in there.
That's not good.
Doesn't surprise me, look at all those trees back there.
Yeah, right.
It's got to get fixed.
No.
Well,
Wanna wash your hands real quick?
want to wash your hands?
Oh, yeah, a little spillage.
What's that?
We got spillage.
Yeah, oh, yeah. I know.
At least it's just water.
Yeah.
There it goes.
No.
Watch some.
That's not good. I guess it's gonna have to be enough pressure. Got some paper towel in the truck. Run out and grab it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need some paper towel. I'll let that water run there a little bit.
You should have brought some old towels.
I always have paper towel in my bucket, but
No.
not today, of course.
So, ruts in the pipe, which I usually use as far as like the cell. Is that a fix it or is that a?
Yeah.
No. Okay, good.
Yeah, I
Got
mean,
it.
you know, that's why we're doing it, just to make it see what's going on. I mean, roots in the pipe is like normal. Everyone's got roots in the pipe.
Yeah.
You know, that's the main thing.
He said he's like, he always saw a crack.
Yeah, so we've just started. It's probably only about. How many feet are you out so far?
Not many.